What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now, the topic of today's video is how affiliate marketing works. I was getting a lot of people messaging me recently. They stumbled across my channel after discovering this way to make money online called affiliate marketing, and they really wanted me to break down in simple terms exactly how affiliate marketing works. So what I'm going to do in this video is break down how it works, why it works, and then towards the end, if you want to get started, how you can go ahead and do that as well. But before I do that, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training videos, be sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. Now, without further ado, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Well, very simply, what you have to realize is companies out there are creating products. And what they will do is they will actually give you a portion of the money when they make a sale if you do the work and refer people to those products. So essentially, if you sign up as an affiliate to a certain company, they will give you something called an affiliate link. Now, this is a URL or a link that's going to be coded to you specifically. And when you go out there and you recommend people to buy these products, when they go to your specific affiliate link and they buy through your link, the company will actually realize that and you will earn a commission off of that sale. Now, different affiliate products that you can promote online have different amounts of payout. Some products will give you 50% of the money. So if the product costs $100 and someone buys it through your affiliate link, you could earn $50 per sale. Some other affiliate products out there will actually pay you up to 100% commission. So that means they will actually reward you with that income and with that money for doing the work of referring people, and they will give you 100% of that money. Now, the question often comes when I explain this, they want to know, well, this is great, but how do I actually get people to my affiliate link? Like, how does it actually work? You know, do I have to be really good at sales and things like that? And I actually thought that when I first got started too. When I first got started in affiliate marketing about 5 years ago, I was working a job as a waiter and I was working long hours. I wanted more freedom. I wanted to just work from home and do the things I want to do with the people I love doing it with. And maybe you can relate to that. And I started to research, and I was brand new to sales. Okay, I had never sold anything, and I thought it was going to be complicated. I thought I had to have all these skills. But what I realized was the way affiliate marketing really works is you're already doing it, right? You're already doing the process of referring people. And to demonstrate this point, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever told a friend about a movie that you saw in theaters and got them to go see it, right? Maybe you saw a movie you liked and you reached out to a friend and you said, hey, I just saw this great movie, you have to go see it. And maybe they actually went and saw it, right? Or maybe you went to a restaurant in your neighborhood and you really liked it. Maybe it was a new restaurant. You told a friend, oh my gosh, like, the sandwiches or the meal at this restaurant is absolutely incredible. You should check it out. And maybe they went and messaged you saying, wow, I went and it was absolutely incredible. Well, what you did in both of those cases, my friend, was you referred people to a product. Okay, a movie in a theater is actually a product. A restaurant, the food is actually a product. They're making sales when they actually sell that food in that movie. So what you've done is you've referred someone to that product. Now, the difference between doing that and doing affiliate marketing is with affiliate marketing, you actually get credit and money for doing the work of referring people. Now, in summary, what I want to share is just as a little tip, because my future videos are going to share more as well as other videos on this channel that you can go through on how to actually get people to your affiliate link to make a full-time income. But just as a tip, one thing you can actually do is just go to Facebook, go to Instagram, places where you already have a little bit of a following, whether a friends list or some followers on Instagram, and you can actually join an affiliate program, get your affiliate link, and just make a simple post on one of those sites saying, hey, I just discovered this product. It does X, Y, and Z. If you're interested in learning more, go to this link. And then you just send them to that link. And because people on your friends list and people on your Instagram may already know, like, and trust you, it can be very likely you could already start to get some sales just doing that very simple process. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned, how affiliate marketing works. If you like this, be sure to hit the like button. Also be sure to subscribe again below so you never miss out on my latest training videos. Got a lot more step-by-step videos coming. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 recommended affiliate marketing system to really take you from A to Z with no missing pieces, be sure to click the first link below and check that out. And I really think you're going to like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.